Dogecoin's story is remarkable. It began as a joke, a meme-based cryptocurrency. Few could have predicted its rise to prominence. Today, Dogecoin is a significant digital asset. It ranks among the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. Dogecoin's journey is far from over. Its price is highly volatile. This attracts investors and traders alike. The Dogecoin community is large and passionate. They are a key part of its success. Dogecoin's future is uncertain but full of potential. Dogecoin experienced a significant surge in 2024. This followed major events that propelled its price. Donald Trump's election win created a buzz. Elon Musk's appointment to lead a Dogecoin government agency further fueled the surge. Dogecoin's price reached a 3-year high in November 2024. It hit $0.4386 on Binance. This marked a remarkable rally for the meme coin. The year 2024 saw Dogecoin gain nearly 300%. As of December 4, 2024, Dogecoin trades at $0.4115. It boasts a market cap of $60.52 billion. Its 24-hour trading volume is up by 4%, reaching $8.90 billion. Predicting cryptocurrency futures is challenging. Consolidating projections provides insights. Finance Magnates predicts Dogecoin could reach $0.60 by 2024. Their optimistic scenario suggests $4.20. Capital.com presents a range of $0.36 to $0.89 for 2024. For 2025, Finance Magnates estimates $0.85. Capital.com suggests a range from $0.32 to $1.03. Several factors contribute to Dogecoin's growth potential. Elon Musk, a vocal supporter, remains a significant influence. Tesla's acceptance of Dogecoin for merchandise adds to its legitimacy. The potential integration of Dogecoin with X, formerly Twitter, could be a game-changer. Whale accumulation signals confidence, strong community support boosts visibility, renewed interest in meme coins and altcoins plays a role. When it comes to Dogecoin, one of the key factors to keep in mind is its volatility. Like many cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin can experience significant price swings in a short period of time. This can be both an opportunity and a risk for investors. It's important to stay informed and be prepared for these fluctuations. Additionally, consider the broader market trends and external factors that might influence Dogecoin's price. Always remember to invest wisely and never put in more than you can afford to lose. If you're thinking about investing in Dogecoin, identifying buy zones can be crucial. These are price levels where the probability of a bounce or an upward movement is higher. Look for historical support levels and monitor market sentiment closely. It's also beneficial to diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risks. Keep an eye on news and updates related to Dogecoin, as these can impact its price significantly. Remember, patience and informed decisions are key to successful investing. While Dogecoin has garnered a lot of attention, it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective. Understand that all investments come with risks and rewards. Dogecoin's community and its use cases are growing, but it's still a speculative asset. Weigh the potential gains against the risks and make sure your investment strategy aligns with your financial goals. Diversifying your portfolio and staying updated with market trends can help you navigate the crypto space more effectively. Besides Dogecoin, there are several other altcoins that are gaining traction in the market. Coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana are showing promising developments and increasing adoption. Each of these altcoins has its unique features and potential use cases. Exploring these options can provide a broader perspective and more opportunities for investment. As always, thorough research and staying informed are crucial when venturing into the world of altcoins.